Welcome to WCA World News. A terrorist attack has struck one of Turkey's major defense facilities. Multiple explosions rocked the Turkish Aerospace Industries (TUSAS) headquarters near Ankara earlier today. Authorities confirmed multiple casualties after attackers, reportedly armed with long-barreled rifles, infiltrated the complex. The Interior Minister has labeled this a coordinated terror attack. Police forces responded immediately, and an investigation is underway. TUSAS plays a key role in Turkey's defense, producing advanced military aircraft like the KAAN fighter jet. The attack comes amidst heightened global tensions. The attackers, arriving in a taxi, triggered explosions that caused significant damage. Witnesses reported gunfire as workers sought shelter. Emergency teams have been working to secure the area. Turkey's interior minister condemned the attack and vowed swift justice. As of now, the exact number of casualties remains unclear, but the government has launched an intensive investigation into the incident. TUSAS, located just 40 kilometers north of Ankara, is crucial for Turkey's defense industry, developing the country's first fifth-generation fighter jets. The impact of this attack on the defense sector could be significant. We'll continue to follow this developing story and bring you more updates as they come. Stay tuned to WCA World News for the latest.